No problem. No problem.
It all began last year at the B&H Build Expo where I bonded with Kyle. Kyle let me use the Easyrig and we opened up Pandora's box. We did a 360 video in their booth and we ended up right over there at the B&H Build Expo glancing at these items right here. This time Kyle brought the long version.
Yeah, the 32 Power Arm.
So I said to Kyle, I asked Kyle, how much weight can this hold? He told me it's 22 pounds. Then we go down to, let's say, 40 or 38 pounds, whatever it is.
33.
33 pounds. So this opened up Pandora's box of me and Kyle becoming best buddies at trade shows.
And you ended up using it on your rig.
I immediately used this on my rig. So Kyle's just going to do a short video about the NOGA arms or whatever else he's going to talk about this section.
Yep.
But I just want to give you a little bit of a feedback that if you go to trade shows and you visit booths like 16x9, you'll find life-changing devices that would make your life much easier because I was using different brands that cannot hold as much weight as these Israel-made NOGA arms, professional quality. Kyle's gonna go a little bit more detail, but I think I'm doing pretty well so far.
Yeah, you're selling it, man.
I'm not really selling it because the reason why you go to trade shows, the reason why you stop by the booths, you look at items that just happen to be in this teeny little section here. This is a 2x2 nothing section at the 16x9 booth, but these arms are something that I made 3 or 4 videos about. These arms are phenomenal.
So let me just take over. I mean, Walter obviously did a great job. My name is Kyle Heffernan. I'm here with NOGA at the 16x9 booth, NAB 2024. And I'm here to show off some of the arms. The 3 that I'd like to show is the hydraulic arms. So here we have their dry hydraulics. They're baby pin top and bottom. They are 1/4-20 threaded through the top and the bottom. The interesting thing about these arms is the length in combination with the weight they're able to hold. So this is a 32-inch arm, will hold 22 pounds. You can really get lights, all types of rigs out there in the space you want, and you know they're going to hold right. So then they also, they step down from the 32 to the 20-inch, all the way down to a 12-inch. The 12-inch holds 55 pounds, so you can get like a big RE light or anything that weighs quite a bit and really just attach it to something. So these are great features to have, especially if you run across a problem that you can't solve with a regular small arm like this. Next up, we have Keep On. So this is a lens extender that we started to carry. They're LPL and PL mount adapters. And the interesting thing about these 2X extenders is that they have a flange right here, and they have back focus adjustment. So you're not going to adjust, So you're not going to have to mess around with shims or anything like that. You can literally just do it right from the unit itself. And that's something that's not right now in any other extender. So we have these on our site, and we are obviously distributing them to our dealers. But they are a really great feature if you want to extend your lens and make it part of your production kit. From 16x9, and yeah. I don't know a good sign off. I'm sorry.